Hey guys, Jen here from bestjen.com, bringing you another video to help you make money and live your best life. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to get more content like this. Let's get started. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 a month with Pinterest. Now, this method can work for anybody. It's especially great for those who are Pinterest fanatics. If you use the social media platform to look for recipes, search for personal things, look for cleaning hacks, basically, if you're familiar with Pinterest, this method could work for you. I'm going to show you how you can do this. This comes straight from my latest course, Project Pinterest, which shows you how you can make money with Pinterest. So this will go over one of the methods that I use to make money with Pinterest. Last month in December, part-time, I earned almost $5,000 from Pinterest alone. And this was very part-time. December was a holiday month, spending time with family, doing lots of things. So it's very simple in a full-time month to double or more that income. This is how you do it. So first, let's look at the method. So I'm going to go ahead and get signed into Pinterest. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at things. How to make money with Pinterest. You don't need to have a huge following. You don't need to have a business account. You don't need to have a high number of monthly viewers, tons of pins or boards. This is totally beginner friendly. And how you can make $10,000 a month with Pinterest is being a Pinterest manager. Okay, so you might be wondering, what exactly is a Pinterest manager? It is a social media manager specifically for Pinterest. So Pinterest is a popular visual platform. It's like Google, but better because it has pictures. So you can search for terms in Pinterest. It'll lead you to awesome, colorful pins that will direct you to content and articles to help you search for what you're looking for. Consumers use Pinterest to solve everyday problems. Like I mentioned earlier, cleaning hacks, what to cook for dinner, how to make money online, the best homeschooling tactics, so on and so forth. Companies realize the importance of Pinterest, and so they are looking to hire professionals who can get them found on Pinterest, and that will be you. So as a Pinterest manager, some of the tasks that you will do will including growing the social media following of the company, creating eye-catching pins like these, writing keyword-rich descriptive captions like this, and basically taking Pinterest off of the company's hands completely. It is a really fun, lucrative opportunity for you to make a lot of money. You can do this part-time, full-time on the side while you're working your full-time job, or if you're a stay-at-home mom or college student. Okay, so let's take a look at how you get started. Now, you don't necessarily need a fancy website or a professional email. The first step is to find clients. So to find clients, you can explore free or paid methods. If you are a beginner, I would recommend free methods. And it'll go a little like this. You will find a client, negotiate the terms of your position with them, which will include how much money you'll earn, how long you'll work for them, what access you'll have, if any, etc., etc. And then they'll pay you and you can start work. And that's how it works in a nutshell. You rinse and repeat, and in order to reach 5 figures per month, $10,000 per month with Pinterest, you'll want to secure multiple clients. You can use the same method every single time, rinse and repeat to grow your client base and make money with Pinterest. This is the course that shows you how to make money with Pinterest, where I go in deeper about exactly how to find clients, how to get organized in your business, as well as other ways to make money with Pinterest outside of being a Pinterest manager. Here's a screenshot showing some of my income from last month. This was about halfway through the month. You can see what I earned, and this is very part-time during December, a holiday month. You'll see the curriculum down below, and this is a quick course, so you'll be able to go through it self-paced pretty quickly to get started making money with Pinterest same day. I'll leave a link down below in the description box so you can take a look and sign up if you're interested. Now, how much does it cost to get started? You can begin as a Pinterest manager with zero out-of-pocket costs. Again, you don't need a website. You really don't even need a Pinterest account, though if you want to open a Pinterest account for the Pinterest Manager business you'll be starting, you can do so for free. So this is a very cost-effective way with low startup to break into a new business. And even as you grow, you can still keep costs nice and low. Okay, and then the last thing that we'll talk about are resources to help. Again, we have my course here, Project Pinterest, and this is under $20 for the time being, so you can go to the description box and take a look. This will tell you exactly how to get started. It's great because you can begin same day and be on your way to making 4 to 5 figures per month using Pinterest. All right, and that wraps up this video. Jen signing off. Till next time. Bye-bye.